Welcome to my channel, Afri-kan. I'm Lex, and I'm here to help you with your Afrikaans. Okay, we do phonics, some sentences, some sounds, we sound it out, we make funny faces, all kinds, all to help you get your Afrikaans right. Okay, whether you can't speak Afrikaans or teacher struggles, you struggles, mommy, daddy struggles, auntie, whoever, we can do it. Okay, we have some sounds. Okay, this week's sound is the rrrr, the R, that one. Okay, now the rrrr usually in Afrikaans makes a bit of a roll, rrrr. So if you can go kind of like a kitty, pretend you got your kitty, like an evil villain. Now, if you're struggling and you can't do rrr so easily, you can just growl. Rrr. Yeah, you can rrr, rrr. Okay, until we get it right. Okay, practice, practice, practice every day. Let's get started. Okay, so here we have our little friend. The friend definitely brushed her teeth. Big smiles. And she's got our rrr ready, our rrr ready. Now we have five words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, first word, ray, 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 a. Now that was a. Now they're both riding in the car. Oh, so the top's down. What color car? That looks like a yellow car. Who knows what yellow is in Afrikaans? Good. Yeah, you know your colors. Geel. Yeah, that back of it. Sorry. Geel. Hulle ry 'n geel kar. Okay, so let's sound that one more time. R a ray. Now, if you can't roll your R, growl. Ray. Okay, you'll get there. Cool. Next, it's actually cute for a rat. You're quite right. A rot. Rot. I must say it with a serious face. Rot. Even though he is so cute. He's so cute. Look at the teeth. Can you do your teeth like the rat? Okay, rot. If you have those teeth. I know some of you are still getting the big teeth. So there's our rot. Let's sound it out one more time. Rot. Rot. Got it. Oh, that's pretty. It's in time for Valentine's Day. Yes, a dress. You're quite right. A rok, as we say in Afrikaans. Rok. Let's sound it out. Rok. Rok. Good. Remember in Afrikaans, the k is usually a kicking K. So that's a little hot tip for you. And you need to remember how to spell it. Oh, shiny. It matches my jacket, all shiny. Auntie Lex loves shiny. And this is a shiny ring, a ring. But Auntie Lex, it's spelled the same. Yep, lucky for us. It is spelled the same in English as in Afrikaans. One less thing to worry about. It just sounds different when we say it. We go ring. Show me. Ring. Let's sound it out again. Ring. So remember, like in English, the ng, strong. Good job. Oh, that looks like the one from Beauty and the Beast. Do you remember? It is a rose. Yes, what color rose? A rooi roos. So if you want, teacher can add to the board of your spelling list the word roos. Rooi roos. That'll make a lovely sentence. Ek ruik die rooi roos. Oh, it's like a tongue twister with all the R words. So that is the color red. Rooi. Just like we had the geel kar, die swart muis, oranje rok. Oh, and I suppose the diamond, diamant ring. Yeah. silver color, clear, yeah. So, rooi, let's sound it out. Oi, rooi. Now remember the oi sound has got our two little ois. Oi. Okay. So let's go through, we did all our 5 words. Let's go over them one more time because sometimes they can be a little bit complicated. Eh? Rain, rot, rock, rung. Nice to say this one with a big smile. Rung. Good, you get it out. Rooi. Now the end of the sound, oi, oi. Practice with your mouth. Oi. Almost like you're going, oi, oi, who's that? Hey, hey, where's my friend? It's the same sound. Oi. Yes, I know we make jokes. It's okay. But this is how we learn. This is how we remember. Okay. Now, for some sentences, we really kind of made. So if you can think of more by yourself, you and teacher, or auntie, uncle, mama, whoever's helping you, write down those sentences. Don't forget, they start with a capital letter on one side, a woof letter, fancy word, and a punt on the end, a full stop. So let's go with, maybe that's you, one of you. Ek ry in 'n geel kar. Fancy. Let's say it. Ek ry in 'n geel kar. Ek ry in 'n geel kar. Nice. Oh, okay, let's go with the Roos. Come on, Beauty and the Beast. If you're a guy, you can be the big, strong beast. Or you can be Belle. Okay, in your yellow dress. Okay, next, the rooi roos. Let's try the tongue twister we did earlier. Ek ruik die rooi roos. I smell the red rose. So, this will be a good tongue twister to practice. Kind of, ek ruik, I smell, die rooi, the red, roos, rose. Ek ruik die rooi roos. One more time. Ek ruik die rooi roos. I'll say that 3 times. Ek ruik die rooi roos. Oops. Everybody's gonna have good fun. That could be a good challenge in class. Okay. First one to get right gets a treat, huh, teacher? Okay. Well, that's all for today, everybody. Well done. Keep watching. Keep practicing your rrr and your rrr. You can do it. Well, thank you, everybody. That is the end of the rrr lesson. Rrr, yes. Like, subscribe. Don't miss out. Don't have to search every time. And you can always save the video. Keep it for later. I know data and internet and load shedding is always a problem everywhere. Okay, you can keep it on your phone. Keep it at school. Keep it on a laptop. Whatever you need. So this week is your sound. Go for it. If you are looking for the posters I use a lady in a flash. You can find her on Facebook. Cool. I will set out reminders on Instagram, on Facebook, on much as I can. Okay. If you have a sound that you need me to do before, perhaps it's not on the website yet or it's not on the channel, but please, I need that sound for help. Email me to learn Afrikaans and I will do it for you. If you need a special lesson for your school, for your class, email me. I will do it. Okay. See you next time. Bye.